Welcome to Free Courses Mela Day 1. So in this video I will be providing some of the requested courses which you requested for free. Before going to the courses, I would like to show the responses which I got for the Free Courses Mela. So I got totally 44 responses and I am really happy about that, because previously at giveaway I got only 8 responses, but at present I got 44 responses. So I am not going to say their name because the video will be really lengthy. So I will be going through the suggestions of these people who respond for this Free Courses Mela. So doing great, thank you. Really thank you for appreciating me. Keep the good work, bro. Yes, definitely. And I need the course. That is why I have started this Free Courses Mela. I will be providing the courses, and it will be really helpful if you can find appropriate textbooks or other study material along with the course. So okay, you are opting for cyber security and ethical hacking, so I will try to provide that. And please get these courses if possible from Udemy, ethical hacking and programming. So I will try to provide that from Udemy. And just thanks for doing this. Okay, welcome. No suggestions, you are doing good. May you have a good start on your YouTube channel. Yes, I definitely had a good start in my YouTube channel, but I need your support in order to provide more videos like this. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel. And I also noticed that 44 responses, out of 44 responses, some people haven't subscribed my channel. So I request you to subscribe my channel, because I am trying my level best to provide the free courses which are in need. So that really requires somewhat of the motivation to provide that. So please subscribe my channel and motivate me. So help us to increase our skill. We will support you by our knowledge. Okay, thank you very much. And I need course. Keep doing more like this. Yes, definitely. Salesforce video. Yes, I will be uploading about the Salesforce videos and make a video as soon as possible for the above listed courses. Yes, I am making the video, and this is the first day of the Free Courses Mela. I will be trying to provide more courses, and it may take some time, but I will be providing as soon as possible. First, thank you for starting this out. I would like you to categorize the courses and release them accordingly. I have over a ton of courses I would want to get for free. So I am categorizing the courses and I am providing the courses based on the category which you have asked. So nothing, courses which help people to gain knowledge of going abroad, masters related. Okay, the courses, all of the courses which I will be providing will be having the knowledge, of course. And for going to abroad, you need to write some exams in order to get admission in abroad. So I will be making more videos about that, and thank you for all of your suggestions, and thank you for participating in Free Courses Mela. So if you haven't participated till now for the Free Courses Mela, then you can also participate. I will be providing the link in the description. You can just enter the course which you need and you can participate in the Free Courses Mela. So these are the responses which I got for Free Courses Mela. So without wasting time, let's get started with the Free Courses Mela Day 1. In this Day 1, I am going to provide the free course for the full stack development. So you can see here, this is the website of the Free Code Camp, and you can see they are providing the full stack development certificate. So you can learn and you can also earn a certificate for free, and this is the full stack development program certificate, and you will be getting after completing all these 6 courses. So where you will be getting these courses, you can just go to the Free Code Camp website, then you can get the 6 courses, and more than 6 courses are there, even Python courses are there. So you can just learn about all these, and you can get the certificate after completing these 6 courses which are mentioned here. So I will just show how the learning will be there. So I'm just signing up in this. So I'm going to sign up with the Google. Now I have successfully signed into the Free Code Camp website. So you can see here, if you are new to coding, then we recommend you to start at the beginning. So they recommend you to start from responsive web design certification. So what you can see here, there are so many topics here and so many projects will be there. So that's why I'm recommending this website, because you will be getting so many knowledge as you build project. You will be clearing all of your doubts. So you can see here introduction to basics HTML and HTML5. You are not getting any here there is a documentation only. You are not getting any video. But if you want to get the video and you are like that category, if you want to learn from videos only, you don't have the capacity to learn from documentation, then you can just go to the YouTube channel. So they are having their YouTube channel called FreeCodeCamp. So you can just type. I will be providing all of this link in my blog, so don't worry about that. So you can just see, you will be having so many courses which are for free without any ad. You can see here learn HTML and CSS. So this course is 11 hours and 13 minutes. So you can understand what may be the course content here and what you will be learning here. So you can see so much courses which are there for free. So you can learn that. And also you can, some of them have the internet issue, they can just learn from this documentation, and this documentation is really good and you can easily understand. But if you don't understand by documentation, by reading that, then you can just go to the YouTube channel and you can learn from their videos. So this is about the courses, how you will be getting the courses here. So you can just finish this all and go to the first lesson and user curriculum and upcoming lesson. You can see upcoming lessons. So you can just learn from this. So after completing all of these 6 courses, so each of the courses which you completed, you will be getting a certificate. So after completing these 6 courses, you will be getting a full stack development certificate. You can type here and you can learn here at the same pace, no need for any editor. You can just learn here. But for doing project, I will really recommend you to use an editor. You can use Atom editor or Bracket. So many editors are there, even Notepad plus one Notepad. So you can use anyone. So you can just, for the reference, you can just use here and you can learn and you can be the full stack developer. I am providing only one course for the full stack development because this course is having that much potential to land you in your full stack development job, because you will be having more than 1800 hours of the coding experience. So you will be having that much exposure to the wide range of the web development tools, and you will be also building so many projects. So that will be really helping you to land into your next job on the full stack development. So I am only providing one course which is worth of 1000, and after you enroll into course and after you getting the job, I recommend and I request you to please donate this FreeCodeCamp. The reason is they are providing the education for free that requires so much time and that also values. So donating them will really help them to make more videos like that. So please donate them after you get the job. So this is my request, and also support me by subscribing, because I am also providing the bridge between you and the courses so that you can get the free courses. So this is about the FreeCodeCamp. So this video will be maybe long because I want to explain everything to you about these websites so that you don't have any questions in your mind. So this is about the full stack development. The next course will be about the cloud computing courses. So I requested the AWS Educate to provide the free courses, but it was failed. That plan was failed, and plan A failed. Then I have a plan B. You will be getting free courses along with the certification from Coursera. Yes, these are the free courses which are provided from the Coursera, and all these courses are from, some of the courses will be from Google Cloud, and it is from Google, and some of them are from AWS, Amazon Web Services, and one or two is from LearnQuest. So all of these courses will be free. So I will be just showing all of these courses one by one. Machine learning for the business professionals. What you have to do means, first you have to sign up or sign into your Coursera account. Then just click on the enroll for free. Then you can get here, your promotions will be applied at the checkout. Free enrollment available until December 21. In my previous video where I have said about the 3800 plus free courses from the Coursera, there they provided the date for July only. Up to July 31, these free courses can be enrolled along with the certification. So after that you can audit the course, but you won't get no certification. but Coursera now extended the time until the December 31. So you can just enroll to this course just by clicking on continue. So now just click on the go to course. So now I have successfully enrolled to this course and I need to fill some of the details here. I'm just skipping on this. So you can see here, continue to machine learning for business professionals. You can just click on that and you can access the course content from that. So you can see here whatever the course content will be there and how much time it will be taking, and the quiz will be there. So everything will be there and you can write all of this exam and at last you will be getting certification. So this is for machine learning for business professionals, and all of the remaining courses which I have shown here will be having the same procedure. So this is for machine learning for business professionals. So this is for getting started with AWS machine learning, and you can follow the same steps by enrolling for free for all of these courses. And AWS computer vision, getting started with Fluent and building conversational experiences with Dialogflow. So you can just enroll to these courses, and developing AI application on Azure. You can see this is from LearnQuest, and you can just enroll to this course just as shown in my shown how to enroll for this machine learning for business professional. All of the other courses will be similar process for enrolling. So you can just enroll to all of these courses. So I will be providing the link of this website only. So you can just go and get whatever the courses we need. You can see whatever these courses, and you can just enroll to this course by just clicking here. So I am just removing all of these links here. In order to show that all of these courses will be free, I have just opened all of these courses in a new tab. So I will be providing this link and you can just go to that link and you can access all of the courses which you need. So I'm also having another course from Alison. So this course is having 1 to 2 hours of the video, on demand video, and it is having 3.6 rating out of 5. You can see the ratings here. Awesome course, and course was quite beneficial and easy to understand. So it is having 1 to 2 hours and you also getting the certification, and you can also use it in mobile also. They are also having a mobile application, and it is NPTEL and publisher will be NPTEL, and I will be providing a complete guide on this website because there is really need for understanding how this website work and what about the free courses. But this course is for free. That's what I would like to mention now. And at the end of the free courses Mela, I will be explaining what this website does and how it works and how many courses you will be getting for free. All of that will be explained in the last day of the free courses Mela. So be patient and watch this video and watch all of my video on the free courses Mela series. So you will be getting so much free courses. So this is about the cloud computing. So now let us go to the Android app development. So I got the request about the Android app development courses. So this course is from Coursera. You will be getting the certification also. So you can just enroll to this course as I said in the previous courses of the Coursera. Just click on the enroll for free. As I said in this video, in this courses, it is similar to that. So you can just see whatever the content you will be learning in this course. So introduction, create a storyboard for your application and install tools, create Hello World app. So you will be getting this course, and this course will be project centered course. You will be building so many projects here. So this is the Android app development from the Coursera. But that's not the end. You will be getting the courses from the Google only. So you will be getting the Google Android development courses along with the certification. So please note that to access this course, your email address will be corporate email. Means if you are having email at @gmail.com, then that won't be accepted in this website. So what you have to do is you have to create a business email. So how to create that email, don't worry, I will be showing all of the process here. So just go to the inbox kitten. So I will provide the link in my blog. So you can just go there and create your random email. So you can just click on the email which you want, and you will be getting @inboxkitten.com. So just copy that and just apply here. So I am just writing this here. So before going there, I would like to tell some of the rules of this inbox kitten. And all of your emails will be only for temporary. Means more than 3 days you won't be getting, and your email will not be there. So it is only for temporary purpose. So this is the point which I need to conclude, that you are not having any of the password for this website and any of the password for your email. This is only accessible by you and it is only for limited time. So now let us go and sign up for this website. So you will be getting some verification email here. So just click on the refresh and you can see you have got a email here. Just click on the verify account. So now you have to create your email, password. So I'm just creating my password here. So after clicking the password, I have just click on the register and now we have to log in again. So I'm just logging here. So that's it. Now we have to fill the details here about the role. So you can just fill any role. So I will be filling all of that information. So you can also fill all of that information. So employee number, store number. So I don't think there is need for that. Just click on the register. So just click on the continue here. So you will be getting the Android Enterprise Professional Certificate for free here. So what you have to do means, you can see here what are the product will be there, and based on that you will be getting the courses. So I'm just clicking on the Android mobile because I got the request for the Android mobile development. So what you have to do means, you can see here Android mobile certification will be there. So you have to enroll to this course. So you will be getting some information here and how it will be, topics which will be covered in this course, and you have to finish one topic and after that you will be going to the next topic. You can just go, let me show how. First you have to provide the pre-survey, after that you will be going to the next content. So I'm just filling out the details here. So you can see here all of the content will be now for free. So you can just enroll to this, you can just access this content because you are enrolled to that course. So that's it. So you can just create that and you can get the certification also. So you will be getting all of your achievements here. You can just go to the profile here. So you'll be getting all of your achievements and everything here, your products and everything will be here. So this is for Android mobile. You can also work for the Android Enterprise. So you can see you will be having some of the professional degrees here, and you can just enroll to this course, and you will be also getting the certification. So that certification is not from Google. Let me clarify that this is a Google partner program. Partner training means Google has been tied up with some of the companies in order to provide the courses for you. So you won't be getting the Google's tag or Google's logo in your certificate. So you will be getting, after completing all of the content, you will be getting the certification. You need to provide, you will be getting this logo and you will be having certification. So this is for today, guys. In this video I have come up with free courses for full stack development, cloud computing and Android app development. So in my next video on the free courses mela, I will be coming up with the courses for another categories which you have requested. So please share this video with all of your friends, and if your requested course has been provided, then please comment it down because it will really motivates me. And also share this video and subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. And if you like this video, then please like this video. It will really motivates me. Motivation is really important to make more videos like this. So please support me. Thank you, guys.